Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video. It is the Bijou Beauty Box subscription box. I tried out the first May single box, which retails for $35. And the subscription box is $35 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. And if you're interested in seeing the unboxing video, keep on watching. Alright, so the box comes with a card. It tells me the prices. My box comes with 5 products, and it gives me the names and the prices on the card. And it total retail values at $84.97. So, let's see what the first item is in our box. The first item is 3 makeup brushes. Ooh, I'm psyched. You can never have enough makeup brushes, especially when you're me and you don't feel like cleaning them all the time. So this is by OMFG Cosmetics. It comes with 3 eye brushes. And the eye brushes, the OMFG eye brush set retails for $20. So 3 brushes for 20 bucks. Not bad. And they're super soft and they're cute. Ooh. This is what it looks like. They have like little pinky purple thingies in it. And then this is the brushes. I think this is a really cute brush set, and I'll definitely be using this. So that was a good first item. Next item in the box. Lashes by the brand Fabulashes. This is in the style A125. And these are... No, this is Cara Beauty, but these are called Fabulashes. I'm sorry. And these lashes retail for $5.99 for the pair. Not bad.
$5.99.
These are... Stop! These are really thick and like dark lashes. And I'm not used to like really big ones like this, but I'm willing to try it out. See how it looks on me. Maybe it'll look good. If it doesn't, I'll just give them to someone else. So, next product up in this bitch. We got an eyeliner by NYX. It's a cosmic gel liner. Ooh. Retails for 13 bucks. And it is a really pretty, like, indigo purple blue color.
13 bucks.
It's called Infinite Star. And that's what this looks like. It's very cute. I've never actually tried using a gel liner before, so I'm excited to figure out if I can do that or not. And the next item in here is Drama Queen Mascara by Ruby May Cosmetics in waterproof black. That retails for $16.99. So we'll be trying this out too. And last but not least in this box, we got the star of the show, the eyeshadow palette. Bam! This is also by Ruby May Cosmetics, and this is the Pop Zombie palette. And this is what the front looks like. And this is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and this is the color story. Super cute, super colorful, super my thing, and I can't wait to play with that. And the palette retails for $28.99. So, in this box, let's sum this all up. We got mascara, lashes, a 3-piece brush set, and gel liner, and we got the palette. Yeah. Shout out to Love Kills Boutique for my new gauges. These are so freaking cute. I've been obsessed with Love Kills. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm going to start creating a look using the products in this box. So the first shade I'm going to take, and my eyelids are already primed by the way. I'm gonna take the shade Necro. It's a dark blue. It's like a navy. I'm gonna buff that all over my crease using one of the fluffy brushes from the brush set. And I've never tried this brand, Ruby May Cosmetics. I've seen them like on Instagram and stuff. And I've always really liked their products. I just never, you know, bought anything. But if it's good quality, I'll start buying stuff from here. It's blending very nicely. I want to create a nice like bluish smoky eye and then start blending upwards so there's not a harsh line. Alright, and next I'm going to go in with the shade Undead, which is that really nice like ocean color blue. And I'm going to start putting that on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to take that shade Necro, the darker shade that I used in the crease. I'm going to drag that along my lower lash line and kind of smoke that out. And kind of connect it to the outer V of my top part of my lid. Alright, so looking really weird right now, but you have to trust the process. Next, we're gonna put something on the lid, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do on the lid. I think I'm gonna do this shade Corpse. It'll kind of be a really cool like shade to coincide with the blue. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Use a lighter hand with the shimmers in this palette. It's a little bit more fallout. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with one of the brushes and go in with Necro, the dark blue, and kind of make that shade a little bit more bright. And then I'm gonna kind of go into something else in the palette. I kind of want to add something different. I might put either a pop of pink on the lower lash line or a pop of the orange. Let me do the orange because that's the opposite end of the color wheel is blue. It's not the best pigmentation in the world, but it's doing its job. It's an interesting color story. It's kind of hard to make a cohesive look with this because they're like random. Yeah, there's a lot of fallout on this, but I'll definitely clean it up. And I did want to go and try that gel liner that we got in here as well. That NYX Cosmic Gel Liner in the shade Infinite Star. I'm going to attempt, and I repeat the word attempt, to put this on my eye with a brush. I've never done that before with an eyeliner, and I don't know how precise I am at all, especially right now. What's wrong with this liner? It's like being weird. Alright. Let me try a different brush, see if that helps. This is a weird consistency of an eyeliner. I don't know if it's just me or if it's just the eyeliner, but it's very hard to use to make a wing. I'm going to put on the lashes and their mascara and fix this liner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the final look. This is what I came up with using the products in the Bijou Beauty Box. And honestly, the look turned out pretty well. It's just kind of a confusing color story because of the fact that it has like random colors in it. And I think the shimmer to matte ratio, there could be a couple more shimmers in here. But overall, the quality of the palette is pretty decent. I do really love the mascara. I think it's really good with separating your lashes very well. The eyelashes are a little bit bigger than I'm used to, but I really actually like the way they look. So I definitely went out of my comfort zone with those eyelashes, but they turned out well and I will keep wearing them. The NYX Cosmic gel liner is absolute horseshit. It is so bad. I don't even know how to freaking use this. If you know how to use this, please tell me, because I tried every type of way to use this to make it work and it wasn't freaking working. Yeah, the brushes are really good actually. I like the way that they blended out and it was really easy to use, and yeah, and they're really cute looking. So overall, the box is a pretty good box. Would I keep subscribing to this box? Probably. I think that it has the potential for a lot of good stuff. I've watched some videos on other people unboxing these, and it always seems to have a decent amount of good products. And it's always makeup stuff. It's never stuff that you just are like, oh, why was this in my box? But it was a good value. For $35, you got $84.97 worth of stuff in here. So yeah, if you guys liked this video and if you want me to keep doing unboxing videos with Bijou Beauty Box every month, then please let me know. And I appreciate you guys for watching my video and staying tuned and supporting me. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Bye.